In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand if there is hidden data or hidden column on Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Apps. From there, choose Sheets to head straight into Google Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, it may be tucked under the More section. Just scroll until you find it. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, open your document. You can pick it from your recent files or open it from your drive. The goal is to get into the sheet where you suspect something might be hidden, so choose the exact file you want to check. Now, focus on the column headers across the top of the sheet, the letters A, B, C, and so on. Think of these as your map. Slowly scan left to right. This is where Google Sheets gives you a clear visual cue if anything is hidden. If there's a hidden column between two columns, you'll notice a small set of double arrows between the column letters. It looks like two tiny chevrons pointing toward each other. You might also notice that the letters jump, like going from A straight to C, which suggests B is hidden. Those arrows are the sure sign. If you don't see any arrows and the lettering flows in order with no gaps, there isn't a hidden column at that spot. Keep scrolling horizontally to check the rest of your sheet, especially if your data stretches far to the right. It can help to set your zoom to 100% or a comfortable level to make the tiny arrows easier to spot. When you find the double arrows, click directly on them to make the hidden column visible again. The column will expand back into view, bringing any data, formulas, or formatting with it. If multiple columns were hidden together, clicking the arrows will reveal the entire blocked range. After unhiding, take a moment to review what appears to ensure it aligns with the rest of your sheet. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use the bottom scroll bar to move across wide sheets so you don't miss any indicators, and hover your mouse near the borders between column letters to spot the arrows more easily. If you're collaborating with others, let your team know when you unhide columns so everyone stays in sync. That's it. Now you know how to spot and reveal hidden columns in Google Sheets using the built-in visual indicators.